What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to True Boost. My name is Nizam and this is part 7 of the S13 200SX Pro drift build, and we are carrying on with the fuel system today and actually going to be finishing it up. So from the last video you remember that Marco made this beautiful custom fuel cell, so we're actually going to be finishing up getting it mounted today. As mentioned in the last video as well, we have a whole lot of FTF fittings, thank you to FTF once again, and we're basically just mocking up where everything needs to go. We're also finishing up the fuel lines today, so those are going to be mounted in their final positions as well. And then yeah, the fuel system will basically, sorry you guys are on the floor. Yeah, fuel system should be all done. So we're getting closer, we're hopefully going to finish all of that today and you guys are going to see it all. So thank you once again for tuning in. Make sure to leave a like, drop a comment down below and hit that subscribe button. I will see you very, very soon. Hello Marco.
Yes, meneer.
So we figured out how we're going to mount the fuel pumps.
It's going to sit like this. And then we're going to change those for things around there.
Yo, what's up everybody? So it is now the next week. It's been a crazy video so far, lots of progress being made, and I'm here at Liatro's Recycling, also Liatro's Performance, where we are going to be getting all of the stainless steel for the exhaust, all of the bits and the goodies that we're going to need they've got. So if you do need anything and you're building stainless steel exhausts, make sure to hit up Liatro's Performance, and they also do recycling of catalytic converters and the like. So yeah, really awesome that they're helping us out with this exhaust and all the stuff we need. But without further ado, let me go grab everything we need and I will see you at the workshop. Okay, so I'm back here at Technique at the workshop and with the S13, and to finish off part 7, like I said, we are going to finish up this fuel system. So from the last time you guys saw the S13, they've built a bash bar and that looks really cool. So yeah, Mark and the team finished up the bash bar with the jacking point, which looks really cool. Finished putting in the fuel cell with the brackets all done and mounted, so this is now basically done. They already started up with the lines here, mounted up the fuel pumps. So yeah, basically we're just going to be finishing up those last 2 lines and then the fuel system will be done. So really cool. There are the pipes that are going to be the exhaust, and I don't know if I showed you last time I was here, but the front bash bar is also done, and the front bumper is now being held up by its own weight. So car's starting to come together. It looks really, really cool. And yeah, I couldn't be more grateful for these guys right here. Thank you so much, Marco and the team. This car is really coming together, and yeah, super excited. So yeah, let's finish up these fuel lines and finish up today's video. Hello, Marco.
Hi, I'm tired.
Marco's very tired, guys.
This is why I want my own bender. Someone help me get a bender.
Please, someone help Marco get a bender.
But we send the pipes out to be bent, and obviously they use like a hydraulic bender. It crinkled the pipe, and because we sent the pipe, it looks like this. Don't judge us for this. This is just unfortunately the reality of our situation. We don't have our own bender.
So Marco, what we got here? What have we done? What have you done? Not we, you. What have you done?
No, we, i.e. me, we've mounted the fuel pumps, stuff this hole. We've made all the fuel lines, so everything is in.
Yeah.
The fuel tank works. Fuel system is done except for one line. If you want to see how we make the FTF lines, watch the other video. But yeah, everything's in. It's good. You got like a tank doesn't move. Oh yeah, this is kind of cool.
Yeah.
Should we show them?
Yeah, let's show them.
It's kind of dodgy, but like that's how light and strong. And that's the bash bar. It's not even the one. Whoops. It's not even the one I'm supposed to be picking it up on. But there you go.
Yeah.
So there's a plan to this. Don't judge it. There's a plan. The plan will be revealed in due time. We first have to check if it works. If it works, it'll be cool. If it doesn't, well, angle grinder.
So you guys built the bash bar, finished up the fuel cell, finished up the fuel lines.
And it's basically bulletproof, because now you can go sideways into something and it's not gonna rupture the fuel tank. I mean, that is something that you have to think about. You're going sideways and maybe a tire comes off, slides underneath the car here and boom, hits your fuel tank, and then you've got fuel over the car and road and
yeah. And I'll just like overlay what the old tank used to look like, and this whole
oh yeah, the one that had that hole at the bottom of it that someone took screws in and fixed it with silicone. Yeah, that tank.
That one, yeah.
Because that thing, this used to sit like down here.
Yeah.
And then yeah, so we made it a lot shorter. We've reduced the capacity of the tank, but we've like 40 liters is way more than enough, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a 40 liter tank, 39.4 something liters full capacity. So you can chuck 30 liters in here, and you've got 3 liters in your surge tank. So you've got like 33 liters to do however many runs you need. So we're gonna check how much fuel this thing uses. Don't know how thirsty she's gonna be, but it should be fine. And then if we ever want to run eth in this, we just need to treat the tank, but at least the tank's done.
Yeah, we're getting there, dude. Getting there. So
time for a nap.
Part 8, we'll be doing exhaust
and ECU.
And
oh
ECU.
yeah, and there's bad news. We were supposed to race next weekend, if it was actually.
Yeah. But luckily the event was moved to the end of May, so we've got some time, not to mess around, but time to at least finish and test the car. So
and button up all the things. We don't know if this thing is going to go sideways or
we'll see.
But I think it's going to go hectic sideways. I believe it will. We put too much effort in for it not to.
Yeah.
So let's just get the ECU in. So wait, what's the list?
ECU, exhaust, spacers from Derium.
How many is that? Wait, ECU, exhaust, spacers.
I gotta fix our wheel.
There's 5. There was 5. What was it again? ECU, exhaust, wheel,
spacers.
Is that it? Battery
box.
Battery box. There you go. That's it. Then we can fire up. I think so.
That's crazy, dude. But yeah, that's it for today's video. As promised, fuel system is done. Everything is done. Thank you once again to FTF for helping us out with all of those goodies.
You can tell them how fun it was putting that on.
That was, you guys obviously would see in the video that Pamela did that in a very amazing way. So yeah, it's really been a team effort. It's been a team effort. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching part 7. I can't believe it's already been so many parts in so many weeks, but part 8, we're gonna get one step closer to starting this thing, and you guys will hear it roar for the first time very soon. But yeah, please make sure to leave a like, drop a comment down below, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until the next one, keep well and keep boosting.